Yes, now we'll discuss about the Norma frontalis, anterior view of the skull. So this is anterior view of the skull. So now we make a diagram. Here are the orbit. This is nasal aperture, anterior nasal opening. Here is two nasal bone. This is frontal bone. This is frontal bone, and here you can see this is maxilla. This is mandible. So here you can see this bone is frontal bone. So in anterior view, Norma frontalis, this is frontal bone. This bone is, this part is squamous part of the frontal bone. Here are two nasal bones, nasal bone, and this bone is zygomatic bone. From here to this is zygomatic bone, and this is maxilla. This bone is maxilla. This is maxilla. So this is maxilla, zygomatic bone, frontal bone, nasal bone. This is mandible. Here, this is mandible. This part, this is body of the mandible. Here is the ramus of the mandible. This is anterior nasal opening, anterior nasal aperture. Here is anterior nasal spine. So this part is anterior nasal spine. So if you move from above downward, you can see this is frontal bone. In frontal bone there is two eminences present. This is frontal protuberance. This is known as frontal protuberance, and here superciliary arch. This is superciliary arch is present. This is superciliary arch. So between these two superciliary arcs, this area is prominent. This is known as glabella. This is glabella. This is glabella. And just below this glabella, this point is inion. This point is inion. Sorry, nasion. This point is nasion. Nasion. This is nasion. Here, this is internasal suture. Here, internasal suture. So two nasal bones and frontal bone join here. This is frontal bone join here and form the nasio. And here is orbit. In orbit you can see it has four margins. This is superior margin, this is lateral margin, this is inferior margin, this is medial margin. In superior margin there is here a notch is present. This is supraorbital notch. This is sometimes foramen is also present here. This is supraorbital notch. Sometimes here the foramen is present. This foramen is present like this. This is supraorbital foramen or notch. Mostly notch is present. Through this supraorbital vessels and nerves passes. Supraorbital vessel and nerve passes through this supraorbital notch. And this margin is made up of, you can see, this margin is made up of, here, this is frontal bone. And here, this is lateral side, it is lateral margin, upper part is made up of, this upper part is made up of frontal bone and lower part is made up of zygomatic bone. And here, inferior margin is made up of zygomatic bone and maxilla. And this medial margin is made up of, this is anterior lacrimal crest and frontal bone. Anterior lacrimal crest and frontal bone. This is anterior lacrimal crest of the maxilla and frontal bone. So this forms the medial margin. And here, this is orbit, and after orbit, you go downward. Here you will find this is infraorbital foramen. So this infraorbital foramen, infraorbital nerve and vessels passes. Supraorbital notch. This is infraorbital foramen. Through infraorbital foramen, infraorbital nerve and vessels passes. And here in zygomatic bone, here a foramen is present. This is zygomatico facial foramen. Zygomatico-facial foramen, through this zygomatico-facial nerve and vessel passes. If you move downward from here, you can see this is maxilla. This maxilla has three processes. One process which is going upward is towards the frontal bone, is a frontal process of the maxilla. And here, this process goes towards the zygomatic bone. This is zygomatic process of the maxilla, and here alveolar process of the maxilla, which bears root of teeth. So this is alveolar process of the maxilla, zygomatic process of the maxilla, and frontal process of the maxilla. And on medial side, here a notch is formed, and both sides are joined to form the anterior nasal aperture. This is anterior nasal aperture. Here, inferiorly, in this aperture, anterior nasal spine is present. This is spine like process. This is anterior nasal spine. This anterior nasal spine is present. Here is anterior maxillary suture, intermaxillary suture between two maxilla, intermaxillary suture. Here is internasal suture, and below to this, here is mandible. Mandible has body, and this part is the ramus. Body, VS. This is sockets, and the alveolar margin. This is alveolar margin. Here root of teeth is attached with these sockets. And here in midline, this is symphysis mentae. Symphysis mentae. And here is mental protuberance. This is mental protuberance, and here lies foramina. These are the mental foramina. These are the mental foramina. Mental foramina. So this is Norma frontalis, or anterior view of the skull. If you see here, same thing. This is frontal bone. This point is, here is superciliary arch. This is glabella. Here are nasal bone, internasal suture. This part, this aperture is anterior nasal aperture, and here you can see anterior nasal spine. So this is anterior nasal spine. You can see this spine is here, anterior nasal spine. And here alveolar process is present. And this is orbit. Superior margin, lateral margin, inferior margin, medial margin. And here in superior margin there is a notch. You can see this notch on superior margin. This notch is supraorbital notch. And inferiorly you can see this is foramen. This is infraorbital foramen. And in zygomatic bone you can see zygomaticofacial foramen here. This is zygomaticofacial foramen. And here you can see the mandible. This is mental foramen. Here mental foramen is present. And this is anterior nasal aperture. This bone is zygomatic bone. This bone is zygomatic bone. This bone is maxilla. Maxilla. So frontal, zygomatic, nasal, maxilla, and here is a mandible. So these bones are present in the Norma frontalis. So this is all about the Norma frontalis. Thank you.